collaborating with clients, partners, or external users? Miro's guest access lets you share boards securely without adding them to your team. Perfect for workshops, consultancy, and more. Here's how it works. First, ensure guest access is enabled for your team. On business or enterprise plans, go to your team and click on the Settings tab. Scroll to Team Invitation Settings, and under Guests, select Allow. Admins, you've got the power here. On a business plan, open the board's Share dialog. Enter the guest's email, select their permission level, editing, commenting, or viewing, and hit Send. If you choose Can Edit, select Invite as Guest from the pop-up. For Can Comment or Can View, they'll be added immediately as a guest. On an enterprise plan, your Miro company admin may need to enable guest editing access first. Once this is done, team admins can manage guest access for their individual teams. If assistance is needed, your Miro account manager can help. Once that's set, inviting works the same way. Enter your email in the Share dialog, select their permission level, and for Can Edit, choose Add them to this board only when prompted. Guests will receive an email invitation with a link to the board. Once signed in, their permissions, editor, commenter, or viewer are exactly what you set. As editors, they can use many of your paid features, create and change content, access collaborative tools like voting and the timer, and even restore content via the activity list. Guests can't create boards, share with others, or view team boards, keeping your workspace secure. They'll only see boards they're invited to on their dashboard. Need to remove a guest? Go to Sharing Settings on the board, find their name, and click Remove. Their access will end immediately. Admins can also manage guests in team settings, convert them to full members, or remove them entirely. Simple and secure. Now you're ready to collaborate securely with guests. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. Hit subscribe for more Miro tips.